Well, good morning, everyone. I think it's Wednesday morning, isn't it?
Yeah, Wednesday morning.
Wednesday morning.
After the long holidays.
Long holidays. Lost track of days, but brand new year. Happy New Year to everybody. Hope everybody had a good New Year's. We're kicking this year off already on the farm doing some construction. Our goal this month is to move this wood Bahay-Kubo over and build a metal addition on. It'll look like the Bahay-Kubo with the slope roof here, but this is never was intended to stay for long term. But now we have the opportunity to get it done, so we're going to do that. So we'll probably have about 3 weeks with finished work inside, because we're going to finish it on the inside. Right now we're going to use it as part of our Bible study. We're going to make it the kitchen, and we'll use it as part of our Bible study, as well as when we're working, we cook out of, have a place to eat, and so keep things on there. So that's our goal. When it's finished, we'll use it for something else, but that's our goal for right now. We are standing by waiting. We're gathering up some help. A lot of the boys are showing up. We're going to actually pick this up and do the manual carry again. Carry it once again. We only got to carry it about 20 feet, so won't be too bad if we get enough guys. And we'll get it all set and ready to go.
Yeah, this is where we're going to move the Bahay-Kubo, guys. You see the mark of the sand? That's where the Bahay-Kubo will be moved. So we're gathering all the boys right now. So probably we will need 20. So hopefully we can get all the total 20. And so they could carry the Bahay-Kubo today. So that's our plan for today, and
start prepping this area for a 4-cement slab.
Yeah. We're gonna move the Bahay-Kubo again.
Yeah, if you guys can work yourself this way a little bit and get off the concrete, you'll be better.
Hindi kayo kasabay ang buhat nyo, nahuhuli yung likod. Pag angat nyo, nakangas kayo sila hindi pa. Lang! Stop! Mabigat talaga to.
Mabigat talaga doon.
Masisira. Baba mo na. Dapat mo pag sa doon.
Dalawa! Tatlo!
Yan! Ay, hindi ko yan.
Mabigat na ito. Diyan na naman na eh.
Oh, konti na lang, konti na lang.
Kahit doon pa sa ano.
Wow, ang bilis. Thank you, guys. Finish. Oh, di ba? Perfect. So we're gonna do a little cleaning and Bahay-Kubo, everyone. Luto na ba yung rice mo, PJ? So maglilinis lang kami natin dito, guys, kasi may anay siya. We have termites. And then I told Ate Joy we're gonna put solignum later this afternoon. We got termites. So anyway, we have the window na pala for the bathroom. So at this moment, they're trying to remove that post from the ground. So they're gonna remove this 6 cement post.
Too late, we've been knocking loose.
Masado na lang sila.
Okay.
Yung babo ng mga
I know.
Kaon ka, Mitsi.
May chiko with nanay. Siya ito, nanay. Oy.
Mitsi, di ba ka mag-school? Ha? Di ba ka mag-school, Mitsi?
This way, this way. Okay, if we make a piece 3 foot long and put the elbow up and put the T up, that'll be just about right. Oh no, 4 foot long, excuse me. You cut right in here somewhere, clear and glue it together, it'll be perfect.
Yeah, like this.
Nope. Where'd you? We'll let them dig in the shade, and we'll dig this out tomorrow morning. Well, what we're doing right now is getting grade and plumbing set for this kitchen. But we're also digging the hole for the meter mast. And we have to put a concrete bottom with a hole up and all the electrical fittings on for there. And they've got the wiring dug out that goes to the building. But we have to have this done before Pinelco so that they can inspect it and pass the permit to hook it up. So that's what we're doing. We're just getting the floor drains and stuff put in there. We're going to try to cast the cement Friday.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the goal. Tomorrow is finish this up and get the metal in while it's cool on this side in the morning. And then we can prep everything, have it ready, get the steel in there tied, and then we'll come over here and tie our steel in the shade again in the afternoon over here.
Yeah.
So we have to make a column and so we're just getting the hole dug, getting it prepped so we can measure steel and cut. And yeah, 28.
Ready na to para bukas. O bukas pala to i-mixan eh.
Yeah. You can't burn through this. Used to light metal that it burns through. Now he's got heavy metal. He can weld like crazy. Yeah, we're building a stand for that rebar bender so we don't have to be down on the ground to use it. And what we're doing is welding two pieces of C-purling together. It's got to be heavy duty because we pry and we bend with it. So we're making a nice heavy duty sawhorse to bolt that, or to mount that bender to. It's on now. We gotta brace them, but we're getting them on there.
Again.
We're putting the legs on, but we still have to put braces. But we're getting the legs welded on. Oscar? Or Jose?
Para ano po, paano namin gawin? Dapat po, hindi katulad ng ordinaryo, no? Yung meron yun, double top.
Yeah.
Yung pabalagbag naman yan.
We just cut 12 mm. We cut one 12 mm. Lay it in there. You need fillers?
So they already started and we're gonna put that over there. That's gonna be the electric post in here. That's required for our electric company here in Baga.
Lay in there? Yeah. It's just been right. I don't think we have any welding rods left, do we? No, we've used all of our welding rods. So.
Oh, yung buti nga, hindi kami nagpisa.
Alright guys, lunchtime. I made a beef strips with potato for Charles. And then adobo. Ate Joy is the one who made this. Chicken adobo. Then rice.
I'm gonna have to put the net down for lunch, Mama.
Huh? Yeah. Very hot. Gonna finish this. Assembly table yan na. Assembly table. Diba? This is assembly table.
Well, now we're re-spooling electrical wire for our welder first, putting a new spool in. We're trying some that we got off of Lazada. Is that
The wire that
the wire
we
you
got
bought
in
off Lazada, which is about 1/4 of the price that we can buy in our local big box store.
Yeah.
So we're hoping it's good wire. If it is, that's where we'll buy wire from now on. And then we're gonna weld our rebar bender. This is a stirrup bender that I bought from a man who manufactures these. We're gonna weld this down on our stand, and then we'll start learning how to build stirrups with it. And that's where we're at. So we'll come back and show you when we get it welded, and then we can make a video when we bend the stirrup. That welding rod is good, or welding wire is good. There's nothing wrong with that at all. And it's a
Oh,
fourth of the
yeah.
price of the
It looks
one.
good.
Our welder's still learning to weld, but it's
Yeah.
the fourth of the price. Now, so, we need the end wrench that'll fit this one, Kuya. Okay. Now, measure here and see if we have 8 inches. Needs to go back probably a little bit, right?
Buto ng konti din.
What do you think, Ador?
Yeah, okay.
All right. Somebody hold that out there for a minute for me. I'm about. If you go too far, just there. Oop. Okay.
Okay. You think too much big?
Gotta get it up. I gotta go. Oh, I gotta open more. Sorry. Learning too.
That's cool.
Cutter blade right here, Kuya.
That need to be
Ah,
cut.
Kuya. Tied it. I made for 2 platforms, 6 inches apart. One on the bottom,
Mitch,
one about 6 inches here, okay?
Yeah,
So you just tie
Mitch,
them.
you're working there, Mitch. Look at daddy, oh.
Mula dito sa ano nito. Tayo.
Mitch, get up here out of the road. Get up here out of the road.
Go to daddy, come on.
Here. Turn them. Angle them a little bit. Take your tape measure, Jose. Yep. Keep going. There you go. Keep going till it goes down.
How deep is this one, the post?
1 meter.
What 1 meter? Ah, okay.
It's deep.
The deep.
Yeah, get 1 stick. What we're doing is there's an electrical line in a tubular here, and so will be. So what we're doing is we're burying this yellow caution tape above the pipe. So if you ever dig and you see the yellow, you know there's electrical wire or danger below. So you dig into the yellow ribbon first before you dig into the electrical wire and the pipe. So it's just a safety thing that's required, but it's a good safety.
That's a cool one, huh?
Yeah.